So for this problem, we're going to look for the area and the perimeter of the triangle. We just learned in the previous example that area equals base times height over 2. And in this example, we are given the base and the height. So it equals 6 times 5 divided by 2, which equals 30 divided by 2, which equals 15. But to find the perimeter, it equals side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. So we're going to label it x and y. So we're looking for x and y, but because it's a triangle, the x and the y in this case, for this triangle, the isosceles triangle, the two sides are the same. So it's not x and y we're looking for. It's actually x and x. So the perimeter equals x plus 6, which equals 2x plus 6. So we need to solve for x to find our perimeter. So first, let's redraw the picture. And if we're looking for side x, we could do this and use Pythagoras again. So now, x will equal 3 squared, x squared will equal 3 squared plus 5 squared. X squared would equal 9 plus 25, which will equal 34. So now x equals the root of 34. So let's see if we can find any type of numbers that can come out of the square root of 34 before we plug it in to find our perimeter. So the square root of 34 will equal square root of 2 times 17. And since 17 is a prime number, there are no other possible numbers that can be divided by it, that can be divided into it to make 17, except for itself and 1. So we can't reduce the square root of 34. Therefore, the perimeter equals 2 roots of 34 plus 6.